here we need to find the value of x, right? Now this is easy one actually. Now look here. Now this ABE, this triangle is the isosceles triangle. You can see this side equal this side. They put this double line like this, and here also that means that indicate this AB, this line equal to AE. So we learn opposite side of the isosceles triangle. That means when you have isosceles triangle, that means two sides equal. That what are the sides equal? Opposite angle of that both side. That means now this side equal this side. This side opposite angle is this one, right? Here this angle will be equal to the other. Now this side opposite angle this one. That means this angle and this angle equal. Basic idea here, when you have isosceles triangle, two sides equal, opposite angle of that two sides also equal, right? Those angles also equal. That means these two sides equal. This side opposite angle this one, this side opposite angle this one, these two also equal. So if I put here like A, here also I can put A, because this both equal. Okay, then actually you can do this even in mind. These three add up to 180. 180 minus 50, 130. 130 divided by 2 means 65. Like that we can get the answer. But we have to show them how to get the answer. So we need to write here. Okay, I will show you. But sometimes they will ask even reason, right? So I will tell to do that way also. 50 plus A plus A equal 180, right? So if they ask the reason, you can write here within the bracket what the reason. Interior angle of a triangle add up to 180, like that. That's the theorem. So here will be okay, I will do two step together. A plus A mean 2A. I will bring this 50 to here. So 180 minus 50. So here will be 2A, here 130, right? 180 minus 50. Then both sides divide by 2. So you will get here A equal 65 degrees. Okay, now we got the A, value of A. Now when you look this triangle, this triangle below one, here you can see they put one line here, one dash here also same. So that means this triangle equilateral triangle, all three sides equal. Now we learn in an equilateral triangle, if it is an equilateral triangle, all angle equal. These angles are equal. So that's why if I put here, I don't need to show it, then one angle will be 60. Now if I show to it B, here also B, here also B, you can put like that. Then if you need to find the value of B, what you need to do? B plus B plus B equal 180. This is, don't need to do these steps, right? And 180 I need to show you, but like this, B equal 60, like that. 180 divided by 3. So this B will be, here will be 60. Okay, then you can find X. How you can write like this way: A plus B plus X will be equal to 180. Here what the reason? Angle on straight line, because they tell ABC is a straight line. ABC is a straight line. So that's why this angle plus this angle and plus this angle should be 180. This because angle on straight line. So here A we got has 65 and B is 60, right? B is 60 and X now we need to find, right? So here 60 plus 65 plus 60 mean 125 plus X equal 180. Now I need to find X. So 180 minus 125, right? So what the answer here? X equal 180 minus 125 mean 55. That means X equal 55 degrees, right? That's the answer for X.